Ancient business, a modern piece of glasswork down on the corner that you walk each